kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Opfer. Guess where I am today? That's right, my bathroom. Who would have thought? I thought for today's how-to writing inspiration, we could work on a how-to together all about how to wash our hands. Oh, what a good topic. Let's get started. Remember, writers, when making a how-to story, we want to teach and tell in steps. Don't forget to use order words. First, turn on the water and get your hands wet. Next, turn the water off. Don't be wasteful. Get 1 or 2 pumps of soap in your hand and scrub, scrub, scrub for at least 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, turn the water back on and rinse your hands. Try not to splash. Last, turn the water off and dry your hands with a paper towel or a clean towel. Remember to count to 20 every time. Today, during your independent writing time, you might try writing a how to wash your hands 4-step story. Don't forget to use order words, action verbs, periods at the end, and a suggestion or a tip. Don't forget, or you can. Happy writing, friends. See you soon.